so I figured I'd kind of help that gentleman out. There are a few things you need to know if you're going to use manure. There is a broadleaf herbicide that is being widely used around the country called Grayson. If you get manure that is contaminated with it, it will ruin your garden for up to 5 years. It's very evil stuff. It pretty much wipes out any dicots whatsoever. If you do get a contamination with it, you can still grow things like corn, but any broadleaf it will kill pretty much immediately. So I wanted to get that out there right away. This is my Manure Tea. It's really simple. One shovelful of composted horse manure. Any kind of composted manure will work. I just have access to horse manure. 1/4 cup of sugar. Any kind of sugar will do. Doesn't matter if it's molasses, white sugar, brown sugar. Doesn't matter. Just some type of sugar. Fill the bucket up with water. Needs to be well water, rainwater, or dechlorinated water.
How would you go about dechlorinating water?
Well, you can fill a bucket up full of water and let it sit out for a couple days, and the chlorine will evaporate out. That's the easiest way. Or you can buy a filter that'll take the chlorine out that you can add to your hose. Get yourself a good stick. Give it a good stir. Stir it 2 to 3 times a day. After a week, it's ready to go. It's going to foam up and it smells a little bit, so don't put it near the house. That's pretty much all there is to it. After a week, you take this 5-gallon bucket and you dilute it into a 55-gallon drum, and you get 55 gallons of manure tea that is ready for use throughout your garden. Just water the root zones and they're good to go. If you want to use it as a spray, you need to filter it very well. You dilute it 1 5-gallon bucket into 100 gallons, and then you can use it as a topical spray on all your plants. Thank you, and have a good day. The way you can tell whether or not your stuff is contaminated is you can easily plant beans that you've already started in it, and if they come up all funky looking or die, don't use it. For me, I actually had a broadleaf plant sprout in this particular batch, so I happen to know it's okay.